The Nuvo SF764646 One-Light Halogen Landscape Floodlight in dark bronze offers an impressive combination of durability and aesthetics, making it a standout choice for outdoor lighting. Crafted from a robust aluminum and glass material, this floodlight not only showcases a sleek, powder-coated finish but also ensures weather resistance, making it suitable for various outdoor environments, including gardens, landscapes, and lawns, measuring 6.25 inches in length, 2.75 inches in width, and height. This fixture is compact yet powerful. The adjustable lighting method provides flexibility, allowing you to direct illumination precisely where it's needed. It operates on a 120V hard-wire power source, ensuring a reliable and consistent performance. One of the significant advantages of the Nuvo floodlight is its replaceable light source capability. While the halogen bulb is not included, the fixture accommodates an E26 medium base with a wattage capacity of up to 50 watts.